Hello friends, my name is Mani and today we have Sannae with us and she is pursuing MBA now from Germany, and you received your visa
Within 18 days?
Within 18 days.
Yes.
And so she would be starting with her introduction. The main point in this video we would be discussing about the visa rejection. So Sannae received the visa rejection first, and then she contacted us, and she got an offer letter from a public university for MBA, and she's pursuing German, and she would be sharing her story all together. Hi Sannae.
Hi.
Please tell about your journey altogether and start with an introduction. Yeah.
Sure. I am Sannae Kapoor from Delhi, India. So basically, I applied in some private university in Germany, and due to that, maybe I got rejection. So once I received my rejection, I was really disappointed and demotivated. But then still, after I heard about Rcare, so I thought to just take the consultation from them, and they recommended me to apply in other public universities. And then I got to know about IGC Bremen, and it is one of the famous universities for MBA. So after the consultation and their guidance, I applied in IGC, and it was not a piece of cake. The process, the thing was quite, it was quite hard. So after doing the process, I finally got my admit letter, and then with their guidance and support, I again reapply for the visa. Like I completely finished off with my previous one. Then I completely again with a fresh application, I applied for the visa with this admit letter of my public university, IGC Bremen. So finally, after 18-19 days of wait, I got my visa, and I'm really happy. I'm glad that I met them. They have supported me, and I would also recommend everyone, those who have rejections or still need more guidance, need more true guidance, so they can consult them, ask them, and go ahead with their application and fulfill their dream to study in Germany.
Thank you so much, Sneha. And I wanted to elaborate what was your profile, what exactly are you doing, and what are your plans to study in Germany. That's very important for all the viewers to understand. It's just not going to Germany. It should be a roadmap altogether, and this is what we have to convince to the embassy that this is what we're gonna do. And that was the most important part in the cover letter, that how we presented ourselves and what exactly we're gonna do for the 5 years. So what are your roadmaps, and what exactly you wanted to pursue once you're there in Germany?
So basically, I come from a artistic background, and also since almost it's been 10 years, I'm a teacher. So I have taught basically dance. I'm trained in dance, and I have my own yoga business. I'm also a yoga teacher. So with almost 10 years of teaching experience and also management experience in different events, in cultural events of India and abroad, so I was somehow related to too much of management experience, and that is the reason I wanted to grow myself more, wanted to learn MBA so that I could take my skills, take my all the learnings to next level. So after doing this MBA, I really expect that I may get involved into a good or renowned event company, make myself more grow in my career. And also I might maybe in future to start my own business. So let's see, I am here to just make myself more proficient in my career.
And this is very important for all of us to understand. This MBA is not only for engineers or from the finance background. This is for everyone, So everyone wanted to go to Germany is not only because, just going there and earning the money. It's about a lot of dreams altogether, right? So please make sure that whenever you apply, your target, your cover letter will play a very important role. Secondly, when you got a rejection, there were two situations. So the first situation is to re-appeal, and the second situation was to reapply. So we went to the reapply because you have already paid to the fees to one of the university, and then you wanted to get the fees back, and then we have to apply with the entire new structure altogether. So you have to be patient enough. So I really appreciate her because she was very patient, and everything happened very smoothly. There was no questions with an anxiety, whether this will happen or this will not. So she was very positive, okay, this will happen, I will go, I'll contact with the students. She was in contact with our old students as well, whom she was exchanging the knowledge and whatever information she wanted to exchange. So I request that Germany is something which has to be patient, especially from the public university. And lastly, the students who wanted to learn yoga, which is, I feel, is very demanding, and it is really important nowadays, they can contact. This was not a part which we discussed before the video, but I feel this is very good. They can contact, they can contact you, and you can take the online classes or whatever it is, because in Germany it is very the people really like yoga, and they need the trainers who know the yoga very well, and especially once you know the German language. So you already done with B1, so it's gonna be easy for you. So thank you so much, Sneha. Thank you for your time.